Hello children, here I am with the 5th chapter of JK and the chapter is Know Your Sports. In this chapter, you will know about different types of sports. Children, there are so many different types of sports. You must be playing some of them. In fact, we all should play sports and games as they improve our physical ability, mental ability, skills. They also give entertainment not only to the spectators but also to the participants. And in the chapter Know Your Sports, you will know about different types of sports while doing the exercise given in the book. Okay children, here is the exercise. In this exercise, some clues are given and seeing the clues you have to identify and write the names of these sports using the help box. And there is help box. You can take help of help box. Okay children? I have also given the clips of the respective sports to help you. Let's start doing the exercise. Question number 1. In this sport, the participants jump off a 3-meter springboard or a 10-meter platform at the Olympic Games. इस गेम में participants स्प्रिंग या प्लेटफॉर्म से ऊंचाई से पानी में जंप करते हैं, फॉल करते हैं. एंड यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई द नेम ऑफ द स्पोर्ट. विच स्पोर्ट इज दिस? द आंसर इज डाइविंग. दिस इज डाइविंग. As you can see children, participant is jumping or falling into water from a platform or a springboard. So it is a sport of jumping or falling into water from a platform or springboard, usually while performing acrobatics. The next question is a game in which 2 or 4 players use rackets to hit a small hollow rubber ball against the walls of an indoor court. चिल्ड्रेन, यह एक इंडोर गेम है जिसमें 2 या 4 प्लेयर्स के बीच में खेला जाता है और प्लेयर्स रैकेट से हॉलो रबर बॉल को वॉल के अगेंस्ट हिट करते हैं. एंड द नेम ऑफ द गेम इज स्क्वैश. दिस इज स्क्वैश. इट इज अ racket and ball sport played by 2 players in singles and 4 players in doubles in a 4-walled court. यह 2 या 4 प्लेयर्स के बीच में रैकेट और बॉल से खेला जाने वाला गेम है. The aim of the game is to beat the other player by hitting the ball against front wall and making the ball bounce twice on the floor before the opponent can hit his turn. इसमें अपोनेंट टीम को हराने के लिए बॉल को फ्रंट वॉल के अगेंस्ट हिट कराया जाता है. उसके बाद उसे फ्लोर पर 2 बार बाउंस कराने की कोशिश की जाती है ताकि वो अपोनेंट को बीट कर सके. Let's move on to the next question. Greco-Roman and freestyle are 2 popular forms of this sport. Children, name the game in which Greco-Roman and freestyle are 2 popular forms. Which game is this? This is wrestling. This is a clip of wrestling. Wrestling is a combat sport. Combat sport means fighting sports like judo, karate, boxing. Okay children? So wrestling is a combat sport involving grappling type techniques such as clinch fighting, joint locks, pins and other grappling hold. Grappling type technique means पकड़ने का टेक्निक, दूसरे पर काबू पाने का टेक्निक. Okay children? So wrestling involves grappling type technique like clinch fighting, joint locks, pins and other grappling hold. There are 3 primary styles of wrestling: folk style, freestyle Greco-Roman style. Okay, children? And each has different rules. Our next question is, it is a sport in which the participants attempt to lift heavy weights that are mounted on steel bars. यह एक गेम है जिसमें पार्टिसिपेंट्स हेवी वेट को लिफ्ट करते हैं, उठाते हैं. और गेम का नाम क्या है? I think children you must have identified it. Yes, it is weightlifting. Weightlifting. This is a clip of weightlifting. It is a sport of lifting barbells of given point in a prescribed manner. Okay children, इसमें एक निश्चित वजन के बारबेल को उठाना पड़ता है. Okay children. Next question is, floor, balance, beams, vault and uneven bars are different equipments used in this sport. Which game is this? This is gymnastic. Actually, it is artistic gymnastic. This is a clip of gymnastic. It is a sport that includes physical exercise requiring balance, strength, flexibility and coordination. यह एक गेम है जिसमें फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज होता है और उसमें बैलेंस की बहुत जरूरत होती है. बिना बैलेंस के आप नहीं कर सकते हो. ओके, तो इट रिक्वायर्स बैलेंस, स्ट्रेंथ, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी मीन्स लचीलापन, बॉडी का लचीला होना बहुत जरूरी है, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी एंड कोऑर्डिनेशन. ओके चिल्ड्रन, नाउ द सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन इज, दिस इज अ टीम स्पोर्ट played outdoors on the horseback, where the objective is to score goals against an opposing team. यह एक गेम है, आउटडोर गेम है जो कि टीम में खेला जाता है और हॉर्स पे सवारी करते हुए खेला जाता है और इसका मेन एम होता है स्कोर करना, गोल को स्कोर करना अपोजिंग टीम के अगेंस्ट. यू हैव टू नेम द स्पोर्ट. विच स्पोर्ट इज दिस? दिस इज पोलो. This is polo. Polo is played on horseback between two teams of 4 players each, who use long stick to drive a hard ball down a grass field and between 2 goal posts. यह एक घोड़े पर सवारी करते हुए खेला जाने वाला गेम है जिसमें प्लेयर्स लॉन्ग स्टिक को यूज करके गोल पोस्ट के अपने अपोजिंग टीम के गोल पोस्ट में बॉल को भेजने की कोशिश करते. ओके चिल्ड्रन, आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाई AP and saber are the 3 weapons used in this Olympic sport? Actually, while AP and saber are the types of sword, or these swords are used to play in which game? The name of the game is fencing. Okay children, this is fencing. Fencing is a game in which 3 weapons like file, AP and saber are used. These 3 weapons, actually file, AP and saber, are a type of thin sword. And using these swords, players fight each other. And foil is the smallest weapon of all. Most fencers start with a foil. Our last question is, the Tour de France is one of the most well-known tournaments of this sport. You have to name the tournament for which Tour de France is held. It is very famous tournament. Children, you must be knowing this. This is cycling. This is Tour de Tournament and this is a tournament of cycling. It is an annual means multiple stage bicycle race primarily held in France. Okay children, it consists of 21-day long stages over the course of 23 days. It has been described as the world's most prestigious, most difficult bicycle race. This is all about what is given in chapter 5. That's all. Thank you.